fuck y'all. Let me tell y'all some funny shit. When I got to work this morning, somebody sneezed 2 times hard. I got low like they was shooting. I was low in the motherfucker like they was shooting. So when I finally lifted up out of my car and started looking around, it was my coworker. I'm like, damn. He said, why are you looking at me like that? He said, I just sneezed. I got allergies. I said, sneezing in public could be a fucking felony. I was like, oh, hell no. I said, you don't wash your hands or nothing? I used some sanitizer. Fuck that. You need to wash your hands 20 seconds. That shit is a felony, okay?